When should you call for maintenance on your trap tinder drain treatment dispenser? Most of the time, the trap tinder, the small gray box with the button on the front, will inform you when it's broken. There will be a small light right above the button that will begin flashing in case of malfunction in the microchip, or more frequently, a low battery. Do note that when that low battery runs out, it will die and it will go blank, but it's usually easy to test out. You press the button, if nothing happens, it's time to call for service. Otherwise, same rules apply as most of the time. Just keep a fresh capsule of Biozyme drain treatment on top of it, and you don't have to worry about anything else. Batteries are not included when it comes to you. The trap tinder, as well as the less seen P4C, both operate on battery packs. These are not the customer's problem whatsoever. If you see an issue where the battery is running low, usually indicated by a blinking light on the front of the machine, that's time to call for service. The water-resistant compartment that the battery and the motherboard are in is not somewhere that you need to go wondering, simply because that's a great way to cause a short circuit. If you see the warning light flashing on the front of the trap tinder, that's an indication that it's time to call for maintenance, whether it be a battery issue, a motherboard issue, or the solenoid going nuts. That's the time when ProfitMax Chemical is happy to come out and take care of whatever issue you may be having. If your trap tinder drain treatment unit is malfunctioning, normally indicated by either a light flashing on the front of the machine or it not working when you press the button, that's not your problem nor concern. Maintenance is a part of most contracts with ProfitMax Chemical, and we're more than happy to come out and take care of whatever the issue may be. If your trap tinder is damaged, we at ProfitMax Chemical are more than happy to come out and replace it and take care of the problem for you. If you ever have problems with your equipment, don't hesitate to call in for maintenance. It's part of your contract, and this equipment does get old. Batteries run out, the parts break down, your water's too hard and the calcium chokes up the spring. It's the circle of life for machines. So don't hesitate to give us a call, because after all, the longer that stays broken, the longer you're not getting the service you need.